Guys, welcome to a bro. I speak as now. Wait, cool. Okay, I'm not back though. Okay, today I will show you how to make a student avatar fan made on Uncopylocked game. The other things that are not set uh, like not the whole kit is made by me. Half of the kit is made by Pigment Place, so credits to him for the. So okay, you will join my Discord. And then you go Roblox model import and get your SA fan made and copy what we want. You're gonna open it and you have to wait a bit. Sorry for mic is bad, I know. Okay, see a lot of stuff. I would recommend deleting the base plate in the spawn location and delete all of your things in lightning. Okay, now you see a bit of stuff. I wanna just go in the workspace. Okay, you see already a lot of stuff. I mean a lot of stuff. Probably see something that was not in the other kit from people. But I will go to this later for the bases. It's a little bit more complicated with the new thing. So now I will just explain you the readme and stuff. You can read that and group. It's just a group table on group and not the all system. The half system is like from Pick My Place. And the patch is just what I added. Added taco truck, but he did the tutorial on it, so I just added it because it was not in him kit as I Uncopylocked 2.1. Added so if you equip it basically you don't have to rejoin anymore. You don't need third floor anymore. I fixed so many bugs, trust me. I added if an OG gets stolen or traded or sold, basically we're gonna just set it to default again so they can't yeah. So if they don't have the OG, it's just basically they won't have the. Bro, I can't speak. They don't have the base. Trade machine we added and we added anyone. That's it. And even more, I don't know because I forgot what I just added, but I added more of this stuff. Trust me. Okay, let's start on Lightning. Curious servers. Open storage. Servers. Storage. Sound servers. Starter UI. Oh, by the way, and I added more icons. Another icon. Starter pack. You don't have to add this in starter pack, but I would recommend because of the new chatting feature on Roblox. You can chat with everyone. Starter character scripts. Starter class scripts. And this just works. Okay. I will explain it in the best way, but you can't like just press play. You have to go to your experience settings, save it to Roblox, and just give it a name. I'll just name it as oh, why is it doing that? Uh, um, I don't know. Click on save. I would recommend watching the full tutorial. I will because the base game center it's because of the you don't need third floor anymore to equip base skins. It's a bit more tricky to add base skins. So I will explain in the best way, but so you understand how to add more base skins. Works good. Loading in the game. an error to our works. I just copied that stuff and deleted it. This was the place where I imported it and saved it and deleted stuff and built this. Copied it and just. Okay, now you also can't just press play. Loading in. Okay, you have to press on fire, on experience settings again, on security, HTTP requests, every HTTP request, API servers, and just for the purpose of testing enable third-party sets. Because if you're testing a bit, yeah, you need third-party sets. If you don't, it won't work. You can't log in. If you change the IDs and stuff, you can turn this off. Okay, now you can press play. I would recommend pressing play in a team test because sometimes if you go on the test, the index won't work. Yeah, and then if the index not works, then basically it doesn't work. Oh my god, so team test works every time, so just disable this music. So loud. Okay, log in. See, index works. I added some presets. Oh, I would show you. Obviously, I will show you how to get the admin panel and stuff and the admin hammer. I mean, it's already my IDs. That's because I already have everything. I can't do anything about that. You have to create game passes and dev projects and change the IDs to work. But I will show you how to do that. Yeah, fuse machine. But with that's the UI. I updated the UI. I updated. Yeah, update. Not update. This is from place. Oh, complete not using it, and it started crapping because of the admin machine. Or not. Okay. Trade machine only works. I think if all the players have third floor in the server. I don't know. Just give me some money now. Because I want to show you how to make this. Okay, I waited too much. Okay, that should be fine. Let's just spawn a developer. See? Oh, it activated. That's not pick my place, the system, but this is also outplayed. She's not going in the base, I don't know what the press. Let's see. Yo, developer, I can equip it. Even if I'm not having for that's and it instantly changed it. That's not in pick my place kit. That's what I've made. I had really big problems with this to make, but I got it to work. That's why I have to explain it to you how to add more basics. If I'm just doing a loop of one, I have to put you see working leader. And everything just making a loop of 260 watts the max, and then the first one wasn't yeah. Working. We also have paid base instance that is already from pick and place in the skip to paid base guns, aqua base. But I can show you things that I've made. I added the jandals.
Jandel.
What's this? I added sideway.
Sideway.
Yes, because
Sideway.
sideway it has a goofy animation, and I added stick. That's all the avatars I've added.
Steak.
Really awesome animation. Also, I will show you how to get this Eppenhammer through it. Okay, let's begin how to add more base skins and stuff. We'll just equip developer base or like that base. Okay, let me now leave team test and show you how to add new base skins, new OGs and more stuff. Okay, we're in. And just go to storage, assets, bases, skins. You see all the bases. If I'm just dragging this in workspace, you'll see here are all the bases in the game. And you notice. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's normal. Don't worry. Because there's a default base in it. I think. Notice the right. Right. I'll just do like one base out. Show it. Okay. You can look up and you see that's like blocking it. Messed up. I know here. You see this is the under. See already in floor 2 is a folder called ceiling. You have to do this for everything you raise. But if I'm removing this, this will be gone parts. Why I have to add this? Because the ceiling is in floor 3. And before as I implemented the system, we don't need third floor, but I equipped so I had the 2nd floor, and then the ceiling was gone because it is in floor 3 the ceiling, and then I just copied the part from the ceiling from floor 3 and made a folder named ceiling of floor 2 and made all the parts in it. You have to do this for every single base you made. If you don't, floor 2 will don't have a ceiling. That caused me a lot of bugs and a lot of crash orders. Fix that and make that work. Because if the floor 3 is then there, it's just gonna go to floor 2 and delete the ceiling folder, and then you just get this. It's right to the curse. I hope I explained that in the best way, okay? And your base skin has to be also a mutation, so it go in replicated storage, configuration modules, mutations. You just gonna, I don't know, your admin use for admin skins or see it. Just gonna, I don't know, you have my new OG's name called, I don't know, I'll just name it my name, username. This, and make color mode. And height equals true, so the mutation is invisible. It's used for developers so they can equip the developers. I will just show you how to add more of these. So first name it, and then it also new things. If I'm now just gonna go to avatars, character, my avatar, and name this super. And you have to name it right now, like you made it in the things. And we do the animate script and just like this. And make sure you have a humanoid and make sure your humanoid part is anchored. And just drag this on the map. Okay, then you're gonna drag this in some storage things and then in the rotations. Drag it in default OG, copy it, bubblegum, OG and paste the bubblegum script. Weird. And do this for all the mutations because all the mutations have separated scripts. or that describes this presentation to pick no place also. G. Rainbow. Okay, left on that. Then you're going to go in application which configuration modules and things. Now I will just copy developer and then paste this and name it super. So like the thing I did in source storage, it has to be the same name. So super. Varieties of G. I'll show you how to. I will also show you how to make trade for your G that's activating my response. Just 0. So now we get an thing in OG. Now you just gonna guess what I'm gonna create trade. Trade this out. Let's make a model. Oh, why is it that folder name it super make a model inside it. Yeah, maybe small wait. Here, yeah, do this. It got trade. I will just give an example so you guys understand it. Okay, just an example. Or direct this and replicate those event parts or also parts for this here. Yeah, you said that then you go to some storage configuration module traits. And I will just copy the developer trait. Is it in here? Maybe it's super. You have to do your own icon. Take the super. Super. Just your own icon. I want to icon. Okay. Local model equals replicate second image has to be made for child. Super. I was like your model name you put in the instance gonna automatically that. That's for the icon and stuff. Super. And yeah, that's all you have to do. Because there's no sound if you add a sound. Yeah. Script and stuff. Okay, now you're gonna go on Sanskrit service, trade and spawn, and okay, that's for my game. Just gonna do super, so your model name, the trade, and the pound time. Now if the model spawns the OG create the trade. Now I will show you how to add the OG base skins. I will just copy the developer base, super, and we'll just also copy my skin again. Also, everything that is in floor 1 will be shown. Also, if this, just explain. No, deleting this, just my character or not. So, if this would be in floor 1, and if the player has floor 1 and equipped it, they will see it. So you have to really put it in the right floor where it is. On floor 3 side. And just drag this and threshold asset basis. Instance. Now you go in the index script. I'm gonna create a new value. Copy this and name it super value and super super. Then create a value. Then you're just gonna here you consider business. I don't know. The next process. You here put your user ID. You can easily get it in players. Go on your player and you copy the user ID or character. I don't know what the thing, and I'm age checked thing unchecked. Yeah, just copy this and paste it in here. And if you have it, it's just gonna give you all this. But not at the OG ones. Oh yeah, I forgot something. You have to go into settings, set the frame contents, one frame to the base game button, drop down, and just copy. Oh, the developer button, name it your button, super. And then just recommend turning this on and show the drop down. And then you're just gonna enable this so you see that for a sec. I was trying to do that, but it didn't work. Now, if you go in the local script, change this to the basic name, super, and also this, super, and now we can just on the text, name it super, and just disable it so not everyone can enable it just, and disable that drop down. So it seems clean. Okay, now on the next script, and to drop down dot name super dot this will equals super dot value. That so the basic will show. Update OGs. So that will update the OGs. I don't know. I literally deleted that and I don't know why is this still here. I don't know. I'll just name it has super. Just no. I can now what you can just do just copy this junk code Okay, I'm back. Okay, brown with little scissors here. Brown my little scissors here, guys. We can just do that. Sorry if you hear my little sister in the background. Oh, wait. Wait a bit, guys. Sorry. Now my little sister's on me right now. Bro! He won't. Okay. I will just like, oh man. Okay, if you add that, just change the name to your old name. Super. That's like looking if super. And then you're just gonna hash your thing and make it true thing. Has super. Has super. So, okay. And just then do super. Dot value equals has super. Because it's just gonna true or false, and we did here the button, so if it's true it's just gonna do this to true, and the button will be there. Just yeah, if the current rotation equals 9, it's just gonna do it. Only 5 items you have to collect, things like, and normally you have to collect 7. Now it's just hiding the progress bar. Yeah. And here it's just gonna handle if an OG is getting through, it's just gonna set the base and you have to default. I'll just disable this and test it with you guys. Sorry bro, my little sister's in the background, it's so annoying. But I don't want to pause the video again. I hope it's fine. Oh my god, it's off. I forgot to turn that off. So loud. Okay, turn that off. So now if I'm just spawning super default, see, oh, face active. Oh, I forgot to anchor the other. I know what. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I know why, but it's there. It should be. Yep, super there. Basically what works. Why is it not equipping it? Function save thing. Wait, I think it's probably because of this thing there. Let me just look into it. And try to fix it. It's just gonna. What's the idea with this stakes one? Okay, now I'm just gonna look. I don't know. I think, yeah, the other whole parts are not anchored somehow. Yeah, but so now I will just anchor them to make sure it's anchored, guys. Okay, anchor. I don't want to make it for all mutations, so just leave it in default. And then after this, I will show you how to do the other things. I can pick base skins, I can use ID, get a bang hammer, and AP. Then I think the videos yeah, now we can. Come on, let's go. I love it. Okay, just gonna do super. Okay. Why? Bro, why is it? I don't understand. What is? Why is it not working? If your character is not so stupid like mine, so can't say things because of this thing. What is the problem? I don't understand. Whoa. Yeah, but it should work for your characters. If your characters are bugging like mine, stupid character, I don't know. Why? I anchored that. Wow. Okay. Wait, let me look just now. Let me look. Okay, it is anchored. Now it's work. That's why you have to anchor your human as root. Okay, I'll just spawn it again. Okay, I don't know what happens. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, I know what it's not, but yeah. Let's see if it works. If I'm wrong, ready to sell my OG. I shall because of my advertisements. And now we see the baseball is gone. My baseball setting back to default. That's what I find. It's not good to spam OGs because it could be fine. It's the baseball. Okay, now I will explore which from and other stuff. I wanted content. coffee left. And you can craft it, show if I want to craft it now. I also have a preset trait refill, Rebellion, Froggy. My preset traits I've gifted to you. You can also turn traits off. That's a bit buggy. I'll show you the other stuff with the app and stuff. First, I want to make your paper. Yeah. You want to make your paint base skin? Just go into setting. Now you can visit this frame. Scroll down. Go to the aqua base. Go to the purchase. Buy. You see? Change that to your base skin. And change that to your Game Pass ID. So just to your base skin drop down that you made. Well, players pilot. This left just change that like so. Now pick, purchase, buy Game Pass ID. Change that to your Game Pass ID and go to service service and go to the tool pack also. And you have to change that for the other stuff, maybe for some, not for some. And also change the flares. If you don't, it will break or not work. So, yeah, you have secret lucky blocks. You can buy that for secret lucky blocks to change that IDs. Let me just look. Just gonna go to 5 secret lucky blocks, purchase, buy, change that to the developer project ID, also for one, and then go to server storage, purchase handlers, secret lucky handler, and then just also change that to the 5 secret lucky blocks and 1 secret lucky block. Oh. Okay, maybe it's a bit broken. Just local game to place. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's not the point. I don't know if it's working. I can't do anything about that because I'm not. Yeah, there's an error of G6. I just added that. That means zero G value. I type that in German. Yeah, I just changed it to your base skin and paste it here because I had an error. Just delete this. It's unnecessary. Don't need that. I mean, we don't need that. Let's see. Okay, now I will show you how to get admin commands, but I'm always doing another thing. Go to server storage configuration, comments, and change that to your ID. Which I showed you how to do that here with that. And go to replicated storage configuration. Whitelist, also change that for the admin. Then you can just go to stock truck config to add stocks. It's a human business truck and reward items available. I need to change that to your names. What you're just going to change is doing a new taco or new limited quantity, changed it one up to like 2, and then go to server script service, limited stock system, also change that to 2, every time we make a new change it back. So here, taco truck, and what did I forget? Let me just see patches. I just read it. Wow, I'm so smart, I know. Trading machine works and the admin machine also. I can show you the admin machine. Let me delete the other stuff, it's lagging. It's annoying. Delete this stuff. Oh, okay. Patch, so we added the taco truck. I forgot it. Okay, I will know. Just delete this. I've already done. Bug fix I can't show you, but it's that I've already done. Only net. Look, I set that here because I added no new icons and new UI. Now I'll show you the trade machine like it works. I'll show you the admin machine. Go here, make the script, and change that to your trade. You can also do more. Let's see, event machine. I think we are done now. If we no, if I forgot something, type it in the Discord. I will see you soon. Friday update and stream after fan made, and bye.